Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Coding Until I Get an Internship. Today will be a very short episode, unfortunately. I promise tomorrow I'll try to do 4 hours. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened with today. It just seemed like a very busy day. But I'm still going to try to code for as much as I can. So yeah, let's begin, shall we? Okay. So let's... Yeah. So last time we were trying to get the page to redirect, so let me get this working. Got the microcontroller on. MCU. Oh, amazing. Okay. Okay. Let's turn this on. Okay, let's get to the timer page. Okay, so I did a little bit of research. Let me just change it. Apparently the solution is to change this to get, though I don't know the reason why. Let me see if this works. First, let's see. That's what I'm trying to figure out today. Why, the difference in get and post requests. Let's try to figure that out today. So what? Do forms use okay. With a query string, therefore the length of the URL is limited, right? I don't know what's... Do I really have... I don't think this is the... heck? Oh, no way, what the heck? Oh my god, I just realized, what the heck? What am I doing here? This is the wrong script. I was running the wrong script the whole time. No wonder. I was like, why is none of this working? Like, why is... I was like, what the heck? Why is this not loading? So we were just, what the heck? We were just literally uploading. Ah, finally. I was like, why is this like... Damn. Oh, perfect. There you go. It works. I... Okay, great. That works. So now... Okay, so now how do I do casting errors in C? Let me read the documentation. I need to make it so that the thing is a number. Like it can't be like a string or whatever. Sorry, integer. I have to make ensure that it's an integer, not a string. There's a lot of options here, so let me think about this. ASCII to integer. A to I. The thing is, like, A to I works, but like if it's like ASCII, if it's the thing is, if it's converting ASCII to integer, wait, so that just adds up everything. Wait, let me see the function itself. So I'm surprised I didn't. This is pretty important, probably. Okay, so let's do. And also, this is a W string type as well. You need to consider. Anyway, what does this function even do is my question. What does A to I do? Yeah, so there's a couple of problems here. Also, number one, can I do this? No, I can't do that. It has to be W string type. Okay, so is there a way to convert this to an integer? Problem solving skills. So I need to convert this to a string. So what? Let me read this for a moment. Operator equals. Index of last index. Substring, replace, remove. Oh, what the heck? To int. What does this do? Wait. So what does this actually do? Oh, I see. So there's already a built-in function for this. At all. Buffer. I don't know what this does. This is like advanced C. So So wait a minute, what is to int? Okay, yeah, this is the ASCII to long, right? Which should automatically cast it to integer. Oh, okay. I'm starting to see what's happening here. So let me consult my notes real quick. Let's go up to my LaTeX. Okay, so casting. Okay. Where's the casting? Okay, so yeah, it will definitely it will truncate. Okay. Perfect. So numeric value dot to int. So this will convert it to a long, and then okay. So what does HUI work? The only problem I have with this function is that like you can't really use it. What if the user just writes gibberish? Like, but that's still ASCII. Like A, like for example, like A is still ASCII. If I write like ABCD, that's still an ASCII value, right? So like for example, let me. This I don't think this will work. Can it work? Oh, it does work. So I will. Let's see. Like for example, let me do this. Okay. Also, let me add another script. When I just. That kind of works. This should work. This should work. For example, if I write like AB, let's say like if I write ABCD, right? So that's 0. That's 0. 120. Oh wow. Okay. So like this function, like if it sees any characters, then it'll consider it like not. Like let's say I do like 145 ABCD. I'll just do that. Okay, so it'll read like from left to right, and then it'll okay, and then it'll like okay, that's interesting. So I can you change this? Because I can't really change the W string file. Are you allowed to change like it's kind of weird. I'll be right back. sorry about that. Okay, so now that we have that settled out, so data has successfully been. So okay, that's perfect. Okay, that's perfect. Now, how does atoll work in? Discard the C string. Can I do timer activate? Can I do this? Am I allowed to do that? Then you trigger this. You didn't have to redirect twice, which I don't know if that's. Let me just actually let me comment this out first. That's probably smart. Comment out first. I don't know, like 5. But it's not. Oh, okay. So that's perfect. Okay, that makes sense. Let me. Let's create a global variable here. Let's create a global variable. Let's do a global variable right here. Let's initialize this global variable. Okay, set it equal to 0. Valid input. No. Okay, that's good. Timer activates SSR. Okay, so we started up the timer. It's going. Let's do. Good. Let's see if this works. Okay. This should work now, for sure. This is a ternary operator. We should probably use it. Okay. Oh, okay. Sure. Oh, I'm so silly. Okay, count max. Wait. No, I'm not silly. Wait, what? Wait, what? Count max. Wait, what is the value? Yes, hold on. Oh, sorry. What the fuck? Max is count max. Wait, what the heck? Why is it 1 to... Wait. Wait, what the heck? Why is this 1201? This makes no sense. 120. Yeah, why is the counter just like 120 and then 1? Like, it makes no sense. It should be 120, 120. Like, it should be 120, 120. I'm thinking, what should I do here? Wait a minute. What the? Oh my Oh my god. No way. That's the reason why. I was so confused there. I was like, this creates a local variable, not a global. We already have a global, but okay. This has to work. Now this has to work. This has to work. There's no way this doesn't work, right? I mean, like, okay, now let's work. This should work. Now this should definitely Perfect. Let's do like, I don't know, let's do like 4. Perfect, okay. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to comment this out. That's not needed now. Comment this out. I'm just going to comment a lot of this stuff out. I'm going to comment out the counter. I don't think we need to print out the counter every time now. Actually, we should probably... No, that's good. Okay, that's great. So that's great. Okay, git commit. Okay, fixed up scripting errors. Wrong script was running, so code was not updating. And add and finished up the custom timer functionality from user input form. Okay, push origin master. Let's put that in. We're good. Great. So done with that. All right. Is there anything else we want to do? Okay. I want to add like a progress bar, kinda, but that would require some JavaScript, require some more animation, which I don't know if I have the time to do really. So. Let me see if I can get something off the internet. Yeah, something like, I want to see. There's like a circle, right? Okay, let me comment some stuff first. So. The thing, number one, also another thing I'm confused about is yes, because we set it to HTTP any, right? Get request. I think post, let me change the post as well. I think post is more sufficient here. The reason why, and since we have, yeah, so since this is any, right, we made sure this is going to be any. The default is any. Yeah, there you go. Actually, no, let's just Good. Okay. Yeah, I think post is more sufficient here. More than we can. The thing is, get still works, but get is not doesn't make any sense because post is like for submissions, right? So let's do that. Perfect. Incredible. All right. So we got that working. I'm going to think about either doing like a progress bar or something for the timer just to see if it's ticking. But that's more for like cosmetics and stuff, which I don't really have time right now. So yeah. Also, we don't. This seems a little bit convoluted. This is more simpler, but my code. Yeah. Ah, okay. Let me see here. Okay, so this basically checks the So this basically just checks the post and get data, and then based on the ID, it will transfer the variable. Okay. Good. That's the timer. That's simple as that, right? Now next we got PWM. So we can cross that off. Okay, that's great. So how much time? Okay, so 45 minutes. We can. I think I can code for like 10 more minutes, 15 more minutes. What do I want to do next, right? Okay, let's do the PWM page. Might as well, right? Okay. Okay, let me just do this. Okay. Good. We can run the whole thing again. Serial port connection. Okay. Good. Okay. Oh shoot! I just realized. Okay, this is. Okay, and then let's ref equals slash timer. Sorry. Good. Okay, so that's definitely gonna work. Timer. Okay, now let's look at the. I want to work on the sensor. Let's work on the sensor, touch sensor. Let me see what. I think that's probably the next thing we have to do, the touch sensor. Is there any way to automate this? Like every time I create a new tab, I have to like create. Oh well. So okay, we got all that stuff working. That's very good. So that's good. Let me let me upload this stuff, and then okay. Good. So there you go. Our web server is up. Okay, so I think what am I going to do now? I'm going to call it a day probably. I mean, we finished like 3 pages now. Like we got this done, we got this done. Now we just have to finish this. And then we have to work on the hardware of the thing. Is there like I think I need a larger breadboard as well. I can't do like okay. I might need to use another breadboard for this potentially. Not good. All right, so I guess we can call it a day then. I don't think there's really anything to do here. Let me take this out. I don't need this. Okay, wait, actually, well, first things first, let me git add modify PWM page. Okay, good. Okay, let me get rid of this. Get rid of that. I'll make changes later. So that's perfect. Okay, so we got a lot done today. This should technically be at the top because this everything here is a preprocessor directive, technically speaking. All right, great, fantastic. Okay. No. I'll do that later. Okay, anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have a good day. Sorry, good night. It's 9:57 p.m. And I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to do like 4 hours. I'm gonna try to do 4 hours because lately I've been slacking. I've been only doing like 1 hour, 2 hour, but I really want to do more now. So yeah. Anyway, have a good night, guys. See you guys.